Carol and I have been together now about 36, 37 years. And we had known each other, yeah, it's an accomplishment. Although it's not a big deal. My parents are celebrating their 65th wedding anniversary. We're trying to catch up.
They started earlier.
And when she first agreed to come down from Northern California, actually, I told the story of packing my car and heading out. And then actually Carolyn is the reason I said, I'm going back down south, I'm going to get a job, come when you want. And she did. And we moved into a little house in Whittier, and it wasn't a house, it was an apartment. And about a month later, these two young women moved in upstairs, and the one girl had a habit of parading around in a very skimpy halter top a lot of the time. And this song came out of that. And actually it addresses one of the issues that you raised, Rebecca, in one of your first songs. So we'll hear it. Write me a song, she said, I've never had that before. Like to hear you sing my name, you can call me Deborah. I said it's not that easy, you know there's a whole lot more. I have to know you better. She said sure. You can call me Deb for short. Deb, I said, what can I do to make you understand? Things have got to happen to get me pen in hand. Well, how is this? She seemed to say, and smiled a knowing wink. If I wrote a song like that, what would my lady think? I said this to myself, of course, not wanting to spoil the scene, thinking of a way to make the day and still to keep me clean. It's true you're quite attractive, and that's what makes it hard. Harder still just to ignore. Yeah, you got that. Harder still just to ignore it and stay in my own backyard. Oh, Deborah, I'd like to write your song. If I did, I'm just afraid that she might take it wrong. Deborah, I guess this'll have to do. It is my song explaining why I can't